Hello, welcome to Tekla Social Designer course. This is Module 3 Part 4. And in this part, we are going to be clearing slab errors, okay? So slab not supported error and opening in member above slab error. Right, so we'll start with, okay, slab not supported error. So to do that, okay, I'll go to my validate tab and validate my model. Okay, now you can see now that the software is flagging this error. Panel is not supported by load distribution members. Okay, panel is not surrounded by members and hence load distribution cannot be carried out. So to solve this error is very simple. All you need to do, okay, is to right click, highlight. So those panels will be highlighted in the model. Okay, so Tekla is trying to guess the position of the panels. Okay, but with this I can easily locate that panel. I know that this is the problem. I'll click escape. I'll select that one of the panel. Okay, select this node. Okay, move it to align. Select the second node here, move it into alignment. Select the third node here, move it into alignment, and select the last node here, move it into alignment. Okay, so since the two floors are similar, once I carry out the editing on one floor, the second floor will also be adjusted. So now once I click on validate, okay, it's still showing panel not surrounded by load carrying members. I'll right click, highlight. Okay, we have two other panels that are also behaving like that. So I'll select this panel. Okay, so I will select the edge and move that panel here. Okay, I'll select this panel. Okay, select the edge and move that panel here. So I'll validate again. Okay, you can see the error has disappeared. Okay, so we solved the first error, which is panel not supported by load carrying member. So load distributions cannot be carried out effectively. Now the next error is opening in slab above member. Okay, I'll select the error, right click and highlight. So Tekla Structures Designer is highlighting where such an error is occurring in my model. Okay, so it's highlighting where the error is occurring in my model. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to my first floor and every other floor affected and adjust my opening. Okay, I'll select this opening. Okay, delete the opening. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to get it accurately, I'm going to create grid lines, okay, to define the position of the opening. I will use quick parallel option. Okay, quick parallel, come here, select this grid line, move up, press F2 on my keyboard, 0.115, enter, escape. Okay, I've done for that part. Select this, move away, press F2 on my keyboard, 0.115, enter. Okay, that one has been created. I'll press escape, select this one, move away, press F2 on my keyboard, 0.115, enter. Okay, so with that now the position of the opening has been defined. So I'll come to my slab panel, opening. Okay, so now I can define the opening correctly. Okay, so the opening has been defined correctly. Now if I validate my model, okay, you can see that opening above member error is cleared. Okay, so this is the right way to create opening in Tekla Structures Designer. Okay, but notwithstanding, okay, even if the opening is created from here to here, okay, the warning Tekla Structures Designer is giving you, okay, is valid, okay, but it can also be ignored. Okay, so but this is actually the right way to create openings in Tekla Structures Designer. Now from the center line of the grid line, the center line of the grid line. So with this now, we've cleared both errors. Press escape on my keyboard. Okay, we've cleared both errors. Okay, we've cleared slab panel not surrounded by load carrying members. I've also cleared opening in slab above members. So with this, we've covered both. So we'll see you in the next part. Thank you.